Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Blueprint Design and I am Nikhil. And this video is a very special video, not because I'm coming up on camera for the first time on this channel, but this channel, Blueprint Design, has crossed a milestone of 100 subscribers last month. I know it's a small number, but it really means a lot to me because I now know that more people enjoy the videos that I share and like the ideas that I bring in those videos. And you can rest assured that I'm going to continue to do that and bring more helpful videos to you. So if you haven't already subscribed, do consider subscribing to my channel as it really motivates me a lot, as you can see the smile on my face already. To celebrate this milestone, I have started a new service in this new year, which is I'm going to be making myself available to take calls for whatever you have in your mind related to user experience. Whether it is an idea that you need some refinement on or some feedback on, or if you need an idea for your capstone project, or if you're looking for some feedback on your project, and you're stuck in the process and you need some suggestions, or if you need some guidance on your career tips and how to become a UX designer, you can book a call using the link down below in the description. You can select a time that's convenient for you, and I know ahead of time so I can make myself available. I look forward to speaking with you on those calls, and I'm really excited. In this new year, I have a lot of stuff planned. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. It really means a lot. But just to give you an idea, I'm going to do a UX case study in the following videos this month and the next month. And it's going to be a project where I'll follow the UX design process from start to finish, as in the research, the ideation, the design, and testing. And I'll walk you through all the steps that I'm going to take to complete this project. So again, hit the bell icon so you get notified of my new videos, and I hope you follow along with those videos. I do really want to take a moment to thank each and everyone who took the time to comment on all my videos, because that's how I learn what you are looking for and I can improve my content or my videos in the future. So keep those comments coming. I definitely love those. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.